Hello everybody, this is DJ Selene and today I'm over here with my LootCrate. And I know that last time we talked, I said that I was canceling my membership, but I liked the last box so much that I decided to reinstate my membership, and here is the box I got. Hey, let's check this out. You ready? All right, let me open up. It's first time. I have no idea what we have. So here is the inside. Oh, it's so cute. Little Hello Kitty and friends. And the box. They did not send the trinket that I so much like. Oh, all right. Check out this shirt. I love these little twins. They're my favorite. I love the color of this shirt and the size. Okay, look great. This is fun, fun, fun. Love that. Let's see what else we got. Oh, a little pillow. Hold on, let's see this. A little tiny pillow. Oh, that is kind of cute. Very cute. All right, next thing we got some socks. Oh, this is useful. And look at this pretty sock. Look how pretty. Hello Kitty and the little twin stars. Oh, this is fun. This is cute. I'm definitely gonna wear these socks. Oh, but there's more. Oh, what is this? Trinket tray. What is a trinket tray? Well, we're about to find out. Oh, that's cute. Little tray, oops, little tray to put trinkets made out of plastic, but really cute and sweet. Wow. There are a lot of things in this box. Oh, toothbrush holder. Toothbrush holder. Oh, it's kind of like a little cup. That's pretty cute. Very sweet. And last but not least, oh, that's so cute. A little trinket to put on a bracelet, and is the little twin stars. Let me take it out, see if we can see a little bit better without the plastic. Can you see it? Wait, sorry. Very cute. Oh, that is great. Oh, got a little paper holder. And a cute poster. Let's see the poster. Oh, that's sweet. All right, let's check everything that we got. The shirt, socks, the tray, the little cup, the little, maybe you can see it better here, little charm, the pillow, and the bookmark. That is very cute. All right, I really love this crate. And here's the bottom of the box. That is a really sweet box. I am happy that I reinstated my membership. Well, I will show you some more LootCrates when I get them. Perhaps in 2 months. See you later. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Bye-bye.